Okie dokie, back to making suppers again. Kids start school here tomorrow. Oh my gosh. The summer was bittersweet because I usually work through my summers and I have very little time off. So I don't get to spend a whole lot of time with the family. So this year I tried doing something different and I only worked 3 days a week and then I took 2 days off every week plus the weekends. And every single time we planned something with the family, every time but one time over the summer, it rained. The weather was lousy, or it was cold, or chilly, or windy. And then all the nice days were the days that I was scheduled to work. So it was nice being able to spend time with the family for a change, but it was lousy that the weather didn't cooperate. So I didn't have the best of both worlds this summer, but that's okay. School starts again tomorrow, and I'm actually excited about getting back to a regular routine. And I think the kids are too. Anyway, so what I'm going to be making tonight is called oven barbecued chicken. Now, as you know, I can't stand this oven. It doesn't work for me. So I'm kind of taking a chance. I can't see what the temperature is. I turned it on and I just randomly guesstimated how many clicks I should do in order to get the 350 degrees that I'm aiming for. And then I've got a temperature gauge on the inside of the oven that I'm going to use to monitor the heat. It's crazy. But I miss using the oven and I'm running out of ideas for stovetop options and I just don't feel like using the crock pot. So I'm actually, by the time I do my next video, you'll probably see a new stove because I've just about had it. I was going to buy a new stove. I told my husband, you don't have to pay for it because I know he doesn't want to, so I'll just buy it myself. So that's what I'm going to do. Anyway, hopefully this turns out today though, with guesstimating the temperature. Okay, so I'm supposed to preheat the oven at 350, which I have. I think it's at 350 right now. And I'm supposed to use chicken breasts, but I actually have chicken thighs. We didn't have any breasts in our, oh, actually I think we do have some chicken breasts in our freezer, but they're boneless. So anyways, I have chicken thighs. And we're supposed to place them in a baking pan that has been sprayed with vegetable cooking spray. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Like so. Place these. Oh! I inhaled the spray residue. Those fit in there pretty good. Alright, I'm going to wash my hands and then I'll finish up. Okay, so, I guess that's all I do right now. And then I'm supposed to bake these for 20 to 25 minutes. And then in the meantime, I'm supposed to prepare the sauce that we'll later use to coat the chicken with. So I'll just stick these in the oven. Which is remarkably at 350 degrees. I'm going to take out a rack. Or at least reposition it or something. Because I think it's up too high. Ah! Okay. Alright, rack has been repositioned in the center of the oven, which I think is the best place for it to be. So in the meantime, I'm supposed to stir together the rest of these ingredients. So I'm going to go and grab a little bowl because I forgot to include that. I think I need to invest in an assistant. Got lucky that one time. Just happened to have someone here. Okay, so I'm supposed to stir together 3/4 cup of Frank's wing sauce. Well, we do have Frank's sauce, but I don't know if it's wing sauce, and it's hot. It's got cayenne pepper in it, and I hate hot stuff, as you know. So I may not eat tonight's supper. Basically making this, well, I'm supposed to eat it, but I don't like hot stuff. And 3/4 of a cup of this, forget it. I'm not putting that much in. That's it. I'm only putting in like, oh, it's so strong, just whiffing it from the bottle. So that was like 1/4 cup of hot sauce, because I am a big baby. I don't think I'm gonna eat this, but whatever. I'll wash it off underneath the water. Anyway, Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons. Worcestershire, or whatever. I don't know. I like how I say it, Worcestershire. Ha. And I know that's not right, but whatever. I've heard somebody say it once before, right? I couldn't repeat it. I'd have to practice to get it right. Worcestershire. Agave nectar, 1 tablespoon. One teaspoon chili powder. There's that hot stuff again. Ugh. Oh, that's not chili powder. I grabbed the wrong thing. There's the chili powder. It's gonna be way too hot for me. 1/2 teaspoon dry mustard. Mix that. It smells surprisingly good. Then I'll let the chicken cook for another 20 minutes, and then that doesn't seem like an awful long time for chicken to cook. On 350? Well, it's only half an hour? Like, I don't know. I feel like it should cook longer than that. Well, we'll see. We'll play it by ear. And once that's done, then I just take it out and then I coat with the sauce. And then we return to the oven and we bake for another 10 minutes. So, see you in 20. Okay, it's been 20 minutes, so I'm going to take the chicken out and coat them with the sauce, and then put them back in to cook for another, however long, till they're ready. It says 10 minutes, but I think it's gonna need a little longer than that. Well, darn it. My camera wasn't running and I just poured the sauce over the chicken and you completely, totally missed that. As you can see, I didn't do a very good job because I missed some spots. So let's fix that. Just not on the ball today. I guess it happens. I'm not even tired. So I'm not sure why. Why I'm not on the ball. Alright. Stick these back in for another however long it takes to cook them. Oops, sorry. I'm trying to hold this camera with one hand and work the basting brush with the other. Back in the oven it goes. So I didn't trust that 10 more minutes was going to be enough, so I let them stay in for another 15, and now I'm thinking I shouldn't have because they look like they're burned. Lovely. That's my fault. I just didn't think that it was warm enough to cook for that length of time, but now it looks to me like they're burned. Look at that. They are burned. How depressing. Oh well. It's my fault. But hopefully they're cooked all the way through. That would suck if they were burned and still raw. Okay, now we'll see what everybody thinks.
So I don't need to answer.
So this is my son who forever wears the house coat 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, never gets changed, never goes out.
That's not, no, that's not true.
And then
I hope you like it.
Daddy's getting
But
sense.
hopefully it's not too hot. Here we go. And what does he think?
Dad, you're
5 out of
getting
10.
5 out of 10.
Yeah, I don't like it.
Okay. All right, Jamie. Try the chicken.
But how about you? It tastes like normal chicken, kind of.
Well, because chicken is normal? I don't know. That's a weird thing to say.
Mm. It does taste different, though.
Yeah? Because of the sauce.
I'll go like 4 or 3-ish. 4 or 3-ish, kind of.
3.5?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't really doesn't, yeah.
Hey, Tipper. Hi, puppy. You coming to eat some chicken?
Yes, can I give them some?
Yep.
No, I already have a little bit right here. Look.
No, I have a little bit.
Is that good?
Jamie's got some.
Here.
Why are you laughing?
Because he gagged. My,
No, I really shouldn't.
I can't believe you guys are terrible. Everybody, including the cat.
Look at him. He doesn't like it.
Hopefully it's not raw. Cooked it long enough.
Wait, why does the skin come off?
You're supposed to.
It usually comes off on any other chicken.
No, not that easily.
The sauce is hot sauce. I made it special for you because I know how you like hot sauce.
Sauce?
Yeah.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Tastes normal.
Well,
Yeah.
you don't have any sauce, so.
Tastes good.
I mean, there's a little bit of sauce on the chicken, but I thought you might like some on your rice. So what would you give the chicken?
It's
Chicken's
crunchy.
I don't know, like 8
I don't want to eat the
8
mommy.
out of 10.
Mommy, I don't want to eat the rice if it's crunchy.
You're gonna eat the rice.
Okay. So, what do you think of that? Well, after you're done trying it.
Okay, well, we'll see. Because you know how I can't handle spicy foods, right? So, It's a little spicy. I'm thinking it would be spicy, but I don't know. I haven't tried it. I'm gonna take a little bite. Okay?
Okay.
Here we go.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
What do
I'll
you
give
give
it
it?
a 9.
Ooh, that's a good number.
That's a good score.
Yeah.